Hi everyone, my name is David, and I want to walk you through how we at eLogic really help our customers drive more sales results with their sales initiatives. I'm going to take you through a conceptual model here first to explain to you how we think about the 4 stages in the evolution of the actual sales initiative, and then I'm going to take you through the specifics of how we make that work. So let's jump to the whiteboard. So let's begin with the first stage. We think of this as adoption. Now, adoption for us is really the beginning of the journey because this tends to be at the first phase of an implementation. We've rolled out some functionality that's key to the sales team to get started. They're starting to use the solution. The sales management team is starting to use the solution in their week in and week out activities, and we're starting to see some sales reports come out and starting to get some clean forecasting or account data. Now, that to us is the actual beginning of the journey. Where this starts to get more interesting is we get to the second stage, which is operational. Now at the operational level, this is where the sales team is actually starting to become more efficient with their day. They're starting to use the solution to remind them to do things. So they're tracking on activities faster. They're actually working on more opportunities. And so their day is becoming more efficient because the solution is helping them and supporting them along the way. Now the third stage, this is where we're starting to see a greater ROI with our customers. This is at much more of a strategic stage. Now at this stage, the sales organization is actually changing the way they're working. So they're not just trying to be more efficient with their day, they're trying to be more effective with the activities that they do. So think of the example where we might have all of our customers segmented into A, B, C's, and D's. And instead of trying to call on everybody as fast as we possibly can, we're trying to do targeting to those specific segments. So in that example, we may be working more with our A's and B customers, and we're driving more revenue as a result of the activity we're doing. That's where we're starting to see some more strategic returns on the actual investment. Now, the fourth stage is the transformational stage. And this is where we see the actual solution itself starting to give recommendations to the sales team. It's starting to find those opportunities or those activities for them to follow up on at the right time so that it's driving the sales team to be the best that they can possibly be. We see this with a number of different customers and the way we actually implement the solution, but the important thing here is that the solution is now starting to make recommendations back to the actual sales team to do the right next activity.